Good afternoon, meteorologist Dana McFarland here with just a quick weather update for you on what we have going on. Lots of sun still going to be there for the rest of the day and really the next few days. The big change is going to come on Friday. We're likely to see some pretty strong wind gusts, maybe even as high as 40, 45 miles per hour in Tucson, likely higher for Cochise County, and some of that wind might even be there a little bit tomorrow as well. And as we get into your weekend, still plenty of sunshine, big cool down there, and then we're getting into the eclipse at the start of next week. And as of right now, it does seem like some clouds might be an issue. That's something we'll have more details on, though, in the coming days.